Hello guys! Welcome to a new episode of Crypto Milad. Here from the sunny Marbella. It's the 1st of October, guys. 1st of October, first day of the Q4. Very exciting, 3 months what will coming. Hope you guys stay with me and we're gonna make a great Q4 to end the year with good profits and protect our money. That's the most important rule, guys. Protect our money. Don't give our money too easy to the other person, because we want our money in our portfolio grow. Okay, guys. Today let's go fast to the Bitcoin price, because it didn't really change nothing. Like yesterday we spoke about the little pullback, and that happened. A little pullback happened, and we don't know yet for how long it will take, the pullback. So we're gonna take a look at the Bitcoin price. But guys, the most important for all the Hoppy fans, we're gonna do a episode about Hoppy, and I'm gonna analyze Hoppy, because Hoppy, it's breaking out, guys. It's breaking out. So let's first go to the Bitcoin charts, guys. We start always with the weekly. I don't gonna take too much time for the Bitcoin today, because like you can see, it's didn't change so much. It's still the same almost like yesterday, just we are a little bit lower. The pullback, it started more than yesterday. Yesterday I think we was at 64 600 700, and I told you guys probably we're gonna take a pullback. It looks like a pullback, and the pullback happened and we pulled a little bit down. Let's see for how far it can take. Let's see. This is the weekly chart. There's something exciting want to happen in the Bitcoin. Bitcoin need to break the 66,500. It need to break it. When that happened, and we close above this downward sloping channel, what now takes for 6-7 months, then we can look up. Until that time, it can have a pullback, or like a little bit around 63, 62. So let's see. So the weekly chart, it looks all a little bit like yesterday. The CMF, it's a little bit going down, the cash money flow. That's not good. The MACD, it's crossing a little bit less to the upwards. So you see it went straight, and now it's a little bit to the sideways, because we get this bears that was waiting here, what we talked about, the troops of the bears that was waiting in this zone of 65, 66, 60, 66 and a half, to push the bulls back again. What happened 4 times before, and it happened again, guys. Let's see how long it's gonna take this time. Hopefully not too long, because we are in the Q4, guys. Okay, let's go to the daily chart. The daily chart shows a little bit more. We pulled down until 62. Like I told you guys yesterday, we're gonna have support at 63,200. We can have a little wick down, and that's exactly what happened. Like we went until this line. You see this green line. Let me zoom it a little bit like in, and you guys see it better. Look, this green line here. I told you guys this is the next support, and we went exactly to this line, and we dipped a little bit under a wick, and we went up. And let's see how far the bulls can push it up now, because it's going up, but until where? It doesn't matter actually until where. It as long it doesn't break this 66, 200, 300, 400, and it close above, it's not really so important, because look, guys, the MACD, it looks like the green line is crossing the red line. So that's not so good. I hope it doesn't break. And yeah, the CMF, it's still good. It went a little bit down, but that's normal, because the price went down. The RSI, it went down, but it looks like it make a little move up. Let's see if it can close above the yellow line. If it's close above the yellow line, it means we go up again, guys. Now we are at 64,000, and yeah, let's see. Let's see what the bulls have in the pocket. Let's go. Like the next, if we lose this one, the 63, that's important to say, guys. If we lose this one, we can go to the 60. And 60, personally, it's not a bad moment to think about buying something, because 60k, it's a round number, it's a good number, it's strong support at 60k, and who knows, from 60k we push it up again, and this time we can break this long downward sloping channel, what now takes too long, guys. It takes too long. Let's go to the 4 hours. The 4 hours, the moving average 20 and the 50, it's pulling down. It seems like the 20, it's going across the 50, so that's a sign for downwards momentum. Let's see. Let's see how far the bulls can push this up, because probably it comes until maybe 64 600, and from there we can pull back again until 60, because on 60 there is good support. So the CMF, it's going a little bit up, that's good. Like this was not good, this zone, and now we go a little bit up, so that's good. The RSI, it's going downwards, it's still under the yellow line, so when we cross the yellow line, it's more chance that the bulls want to push it again to try again to beat the bears here at 66. They're waiting again, 66 and a half. Okay, and the 1 hour, like we went down, and you see that the support in this line, it was like around 63. There the bulls were again trying to push it up, and the bears couldn't hold it. So let's see how far this go. The yellow line, the 20 EMA, it's going up again, it moves upwards, but let's see if we can push it higher than all this moving average what is here on the hourly, because there is chance like you come to the 64, because here are two moving averages, 2 times a little bit support here. And let's see if we can break this, and then we need to break the green line. That's at 64 600, and from there, if we break all these lines and we can push it up from here, then we come again to the end boss, and that's like around 66 500 to break this line. So let's see how far they can do this. Okay, this was from the Bitcoin charts, guys. The Bitcoin, like I said, it's not so much to tell. It can, like, if we break the previous high, then we go, it's a good chance that we're gonna go up from here, and maybe it happens early October, but I think personally it will happens maybe mid-October, end October, begin November, that we really can break this downward sloping channel what we have now for 6 months. So let's see how long it will take. A sip of the coffee, guys. Always good to fresh energy, because now we're gonna talk about our favorite son, Hoppy, guys. Hoppy, it's pumping, guys. It's pumping. It had a little pull down, what I expected, what I told you guys like a couple days ago. I told you it can have a little pullback, but Hoppy, it's going to break the all-time highs from Hoppy, guys. Hoppy, it's a strong coin. Hoppy, it doesn't care about what Bitcoin does. Hoppy does what Hoppy want to do, and that's what I like from Hoppy. Because the couple months ago, Bitcoin was going down, but Hoppy not. Hoppy was pumping. Like, I don't talk about the last month, because that was a little bit downwards for Hoppy, because it reached all-time high and from there it went down. But like, it was not always like this. If you guys was more early in Hoppy, like let's take a look. Like, I talk about this period. Like I talk about this period. It was around begin summer, like June. It went so much up, guys. It went so much up, and in this period that it went up, Bitcoin was doing literally nothing. Bitcoin was doing nothing. So it was not correlated with Bitcoin. And that's what I like from Hoppy. It does what it want to do. Like you see, there is a support here at the 4-day. That's at 165. And you see, we hit this support line. We hit the support line almost. We hit the support line almost. And let's see if we can push it up from this moment, guys. Because, like you guys know, Hoppy doesn't have a lot of bears. Hoppy, it's all bulls. We are bulls. And they want to push the price up from Hoppy. And let's see, at the moment, like Hoppy, it's very, very positive. It looks good. It looks really good. It looks strong, what I already told a couple days ago. For me, it didn't look that we go too low, but we went until, let's say we went until 11. That was like a pullback. It was not much. It was, how much was it from the top here? It was a pullback of 20%, and that's not normally a good pullback. It's not a crash, it's just a pullback, guys. You don't need to be scared for 20%. A crash, if we talk about the crash, it's like 50, 60, 70, 90, 100%. That are crashes. Like what happened in the all-time high, that was a little crash for Hoppy, but I had faith in Hoppy because I knew it just gonna find his low and it go up from there. Because I sold some Hoppy on the highs, and when we reached, like, let's see, where was my buy? Like here was my next buy again, because I saw there is some support again. There is some long-term support, daily support here, and it was really a moment, like this was a moment here, a daily buy on my indicator, the MRI, what I use. And here was like a daily buy, and from the daily buy, guys, we went up a lot. We went up a lot. We went up 300%, guys. 300, more than 300. 366%. Like in the beginning, guys, when I went in Hoppy, it was like in begin June. I remember. Let me go back. Let me take the weekly, then I can see it good. Because the price was so low when I discovered Hoppy. It was here, around 27 May, begin June. I started to see Hoppy and discover Hoppy, and I thought it's a good coin. I little bit investigated, and it looked good. Just I had not so much faith in it like I have now, because I investigate a lot more in Hoppy than when I did in this moment. For me, in this moment, I thought, okay, it's a pump and dump. It go up, and let's see what will happen. And it went good up. It went really good up, and I discovered later in the moment that this is not a pump and dump coin, guys. Like every coin, okay, it goes up and it has its downs. Every coin has that. There is no coin, there is no asset in this world that only goes up. That doesn't exist, unfortunately. But Hoppy, it's not like this other meme coins like Spike or like this Fefe coin, like this they come later, like the Watt, they come later. They try to copy Hoppy, but these are not coins where you can trust in. These are really pump and dumps. They can go to zero. But with Hoppy, I just have more trust. Personally, I have more trust in it. Like you guys, you should self make your decisions, of course. It's your own money. But for me, how I see it, I think Hoppy have a good future, and I think it can really be the next Pepe. I don't wanna celebrate too early, but it's really can reach big exchanges. Who knows, in the future it comes in Binance, and when it's hit a good exchange, guys, this coin will fly. This coin can easily make 100 times, 200 times, 300 times. I saw it with coins before, if you never was in this kind of things, you don't know exactly. You think, okay, 100 times a coin, it's not realistic. But for me, it's realistic. Like, guys, for me, it's really realistic. I saw it before. Like, now I threw a couple 10Ks in Hoppy, and let's see how far it will go. Like, when I started, I just put it like 10K in it to see and try to see how it goes. This 10K, it made me 3 times. I went 3 times. Like, I didn't go out here at the top. I went out at the second candle around around 63, 65. I went out because I saw its breaks again this line, and it went down, and then I bought again at 36 around here. So that was a good decision what I made here, because I saw there can be some pullback, guys. I knew it will not go to zero. Hoppy will stay, but sometimes, guys, you need to take some profits in some moments. But at the moment, it really looks it's gonna break the all-time high. If it break the all-time high, guys, the sky's the limit. That's what I can say. The sky is the limit. Then we need to watch very, very near, because I'm gonna make a weekly video about Hoppy, guys, to analyze Hoppy, to see where we are. Is it smart to stay inside? Is it not smart? So don't forget to subscribe, guys. We're gonna analyze Hoppy together. I know the Hoppy army it's watching these movies, and I'm also inside the Hoppy army, guys. I feel great with this coin. I think it's a great coin for the future. And make your own decision, make your own investigation always. But for me, it's made me already some good gains, and I stay in it because I really think it's gonna break the all-time high, and from there we're gonna push it really higher, guys. And who knows how far we go. Like, this is a coin that you can put your money inside and just leave it. Personally, I don't gonna take it out anymore. I just gonna leave it because I think this coin can bring me some good gains, guys. Like, what we need to break now is the 170. If we break the 170, we go to the all-time high to retest it. This is like the daily chart, what you see, guys. And when we are at the all-time high and we push in one go, like a rocket, like a Hoppy rocket through it, then, guys, really the sky is the limit. I don't know how far we can go with this, but like, this is the coin even for the small investors, guys that don't have so much money yet. They are beginners, they are just in the market. I think this is a coin what can bring you some gains back, so you can take some out later in the future and put it and keep trading. Like, in this channel, guys, I want you guys make good trades. I want you guys don't lose your money to the big wheels, to the big players. We are one community, we are one family in this channel, and I'm gonna try the decisions what I make, share with you guys, so you guys make the right decisions and can protect your assets. For me, I'm very difficult to give my money to other people. So I have very short. Sometimes I have very short stop losses, and I have a risk management plan. I write down every trade what I make, because I need a plan, guys. I need to know what I would like to do before I go inside a trade. Without a plan, you don't gonna survive in the market, guys. It doesn't matter if you buy altcoins or Bitcoin. Like, in the long term, you need to know what you're doing, because it's important to protect your assets. Like, winning, it's one point, but the other very important thing is how to protect your money. And that's what I'm gonna try to learn you guys, because I have now already almost 10-11 years experience in the trading. I made stupid decisions also in the beginning. I learned from it. It cost me a lot of money. I don't gonna lie about it. It cost me a lot of money, the mistakes what I made in the beginning, but I learned from it. That's the most important. In life, you need to learn from your mistakes and keep going. Like everybody, I think every trader, they lost all their money once or twice, and from there they went up and tried again and push it up. And the most important in life is, guys, never give up. That's the most important lesson what I can give you guys. Never give up, because nothing goes well in one time. Everything needs patience, everything needs time. And that's not only with trading like this, it's in the life like this, guys. Like trading, it's life. Trading, if you're a good trader, it means you are good in life, you're successful in life, because the way how you trade, it's really says a lot about you, how you are in the normal life, also in the different things in the life. Because like trading, it's really like playing chess. It's really knowing what you're doing. It's not just putting your money and see where it goes, because that's not trading, guys. That's just gambling. And we don't gamble. If we want to gamble, we go to the casino, and we don't chase. We just want to make the good decisions. Like no trader will win all their trades. Of course, that's not possible, but we need have a plan, and we need have an edge. Our edge need always be in our favor. So in the long term, we need to see our portfolio, our gains going up, not going down. Maybe it can go down a couple days, a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, but in the end, guys, it need to go up and up and up and up. That's the main goal here in the channel, and that's what I'm gonna try to learn you guys. Okay, guys, for now it's good. Let's see what Hoppy gonna do. I'm gonna make maybe this weekend again a video about Hoppy, if not Monday or Tuesday. But I'm on it. If something important happens, I'm here with the video of Hoppy for you guys. And if you guys want other altcoins, or you have some other questions, feel free to ask it in the comments, and I will try to answer you always, because I try to help you guys. Have a great, fantastic day. Crypto Milad. See you soon, guys. Hope you like it. Ciao.